Marhaba, Miss JJ's awesome and wonderful students. Marhaba, كيف حالكم? I am taping this lesson in case you missed coming to the virtual class, or if you would like to have a review when we're done with our live class. So today's lesson is, as you can see it, it's basic greetings in Arabic. Basic greetings in Arabic. And here you have in Arabic marhaba. So as if you're doing in English, what do you think a basic greeting can be? Good morning, good afternoon, how are you doing? We are going to go over today the basics, and then gradually we will build on our vocab to make a bigger dialogue and skits. So as usual, every time we start a class, we have a learning target. Well, I wanted to popcorn for each and choose each student to read for us. So I'm going to read it for you because I'm taping this, and I would like for you also to follow along. So learning targets for today, and in Arabic it's أهداف الدرس. أهداف is the plural of هدف, which is targets. الدرس is the lesson. So today's target for the lesson. I can understand and respond to basic greetings. I can greet others and answer when greeted by others. I can learn different phrases for greetings and use them. So let's have a look at these learning targets, and let's try to pick the important verbs or words that mean to us and that we can elaborate on. You think understand and respond, those are like main verbs? Yeah, I think so too. Like I can understand if I say good morning in Arabic, sabah al khair, I am going to say good morning to you too. I can greet others and answer when greeted by others, same thing. I know like how to respond properly to the greeting. And I can learn different phrases for greetings and use them. Different phrases. What do you think this is talking about? Yes, it's like talking about if someone is greeting you in the morning, before noon, or afternoon, or in the evening. Okay, so I'm going to go to the next one. Okay, so boys and girls, when you get to this screen, to this slide, I would like for you to access this video. This video is about the main words for greetings in Arabic. They are said in Arabic, but then they're also written in English at the bottom of the screen. At the beginning of the video, you will get to meet the teacher, the lady who is taping it, and then she will start with the greetings. I would like for you also, like it says here in your notebook, to write down the greetings expression. Basically, it's in Arabic, the good morning, good afternoon, nice to meet you, hello, all right? And of course, because it's a video, you can watch it more than once. So I'm going, I think it's going to take you like a few minutes to do this activity. And after you finish and you write it down, I will be asking you, my students, to say in Arabic the following words. So here we have hello, hello. If you can look through your notes, hello is marhaba. Hello is marhaba. Good job. The next slide, we're going to say it in Arabic. Hold on, I think I jumped. Okay. The little girl over here is saying good morning in Arabic and Sabah al Khair. So he's going to answer her with Sabah al Khair, Sabah al Noor, Sabah al Khair, Sabah al Noor, Sabah al Khair, Sabah al Noor. And here we have to say it in Arabic too. Welcome, welcome. You hear me saying a lot, Ahlan, Ahlan. Ahlan is also welcome or al-afu, like you're welcome, al-afu. Or welcome, like welcome to my class, Ahlan. Okay? And the next one is peace be with you and peace be with you too. Peace be with you is assalamu alaikum. In Arab countries, this is how they greet each other, like when they first see each other. Assalamu alaikum, and then they answer back wa alaikum assalam. This is like a cultural thing that all Arab countries use. Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam. Okay, and then marhaba, hello, sabah al khair, good morning. Now we are entering the afternoon time. Good evening. Masa al khair, Masa al khair. And he's going to answer by Masa al khair or Masa al nur. Okay? So I want to go do it one more time. Marhaba, marhaba. صباح الخير, صباح النور. أهلا, أهلا or العفو. السلام عليكم وعليكم السلام. مساء الخير, مساء النور. Okay. So this is the activity that I would like for my student to do. So you'll be working with a classmate, but for now, because you are viewing this video as recorded, so you're going to do it like you're going to pretend you are talking to your teacher, and then you are going also to pretend you have a friend next to you. So let's read what the question is, what's expected of us. You meet your teacher in the morning and you exchange greetings. Your teacher says good morning and you say good morning back to your teacher. And then your friend joins you and he or she greets the teacher by saying hello, and the teacher will say welcome, ahlan, and hello. Okay, let me just see what's okay. So I'm going to give you a few minutes to work on this activity, because this activity will summarize what we learned in today's lesson. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say it oral, but please, I would like for you to write it in your Arabic notebook and share it with me in class next time we meet. Okay? You meet your teacher in the morning and you exchange greetings. صباح الخير. صباح النور. مرحبا. أهلا. مرحبا. Okay? So boys and girls, my fabulous middle school Arabic students, I hope this lesson helped, and I hope to see you live next time. If you have any questions, please write them down and we will cover them next time we meet. مع السلامة. مع السلامة.